Hi everybody, just got my Universal Yums box in the mail. This is a monthly subscription that you can get, and every month this box, it comes from a different country, and this month it comes from France. So, and it says, warning, these yums may steal your heart. So I'm suspecting it has something Valentine-ish since it's February and it's from France. And this is actually shipped from Parsippany, New Jersey. Parsippany, anybody ever been there? So I haven't opened this at all. I've been waiting for you guys. And I'm actually going to open it up here. And I'm going to show you the contents first. So here we go. You see it? Okay, so it says, welcome to France. There's a paper in here, and it has a little voting thing on it, so maybe we'll get to vote. Cast your vote for your favorite and least favorite yums in every box. How to vote. Put your initial in the box that corresponds with the yum award. Each person can vote for one snack in each yum award category, so choose carefully. So there's best yum, runner-up, worst yum, and most unusual. So it looks like this is what's in the box, and I have no idea what any of those are. Welcome to France, Universal Yums. There's trivia on this page. Let's see what some of the trivia is. In France, it's against the law to bring blank on the train without buying an extra ticket. Your choices are snails, living plants, gold bars, or pregnant women. I don't know where the answers are, but we'll find the answers, and I will post the answers on the description of the video. Look at this. I have part of my light in my camera there. Okay, so number 2, which of the following can you use as a check in France? A piece of cardboard, toilet paper, birthday card, a US dollar. Number 3, the French government gives out medals to citizens for voting in every election, raising well-behaved kids, keeping their sidewalks clear, or growing a vegetable garden. Number 4, out of all the countries in the world, France has the most languages, unmarried men, debt, or time zones. Number 5, this is the last trivia question. In 2011, French authorities banned cafeterias from supplying children with unlimited sugar packets, ketchup, napkins, or pickles. So take a guess at those, and I don't actually see where the answers are, but we will figure that out. So here's in the book it says what's inside. So the first thing is Cybele. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but Cybele black truffle chips. Because of course you've had potato chips before, but how about potato chips made with lightning? Prepare yourself, because according to an old fable, these chips carry a bit of shock value. Legend has it that long ago, a farmer saw a bolt of lightning strike the ground at the roots of a tree. In that exact spot, a strange dark patch of mushrooms grew. His pig ate one of the mushrooms and survived, so the farmer decided to try them as well. He went on to have 13 children with his wife. It's a lot of children. And then what? Okay, which led to the belief that the mushrooms called truffles had life-giving powers. Let's try this. Let's try these truffle chips. Okay. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh, no. Oh, I don't like it. It's really gross. It just tastes like an old onion or something. Okay, so I don't know how to pronounce this one, but it looks kind of like a Twinkie, like a Twinkie with like straight edges and not rounded edges. This one, they say they describe it as pure gold. In the 1800s, a pastry chef named something, something, I don't know, I'm sorry, started bringing in the dough with these little cakes. His bakery sat in the heart of France's financial district, so hundreds of hungry bankers, would stop by, all wanting sweet snacks on the go. So these are almond cakes, and they're supposed to have a moist, springy texture and sweet, nutty flavor. So let's try. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. That's all good. That is good. Wow. That is really good. I really like that. It tastes like almond, or like a cherry taste. Okay, this is like a big old pink thing. Here, I'll show you. That's it right there. This is nice that there's like a little description of each of them. Not only are the shell-shaped cakes undeniably French and cute, they also come with charming history. Some say a royal servant named Madeleine Palmer first made the cake, which was later named after her by King Louis the 15th. XV, the 15th. Others say the cake became famous in the 900s when it was eaten by French pilgrims traveling to the Apostle St. James burial site. Okay, so fresh raspberries are folded into light and fluffy batter to create this unique classic French cake. Okay, let's try it. This smells really good too. It smells like raspberry. It's good. That one's good too. I like the cakes. The cakes are really good. In this bag, there's just some little treats. Ooh, these look very interesting. Okay, so it's Basil Pesto. And I think it's like a pesto in like a little biscuit or something. Oh, I can smell them already. It smells like grasshoppers in summertime. Okay, here it goes. Oh, it's good. Very yummy. That tastes like summertime. That is very good. Very good. I love that. Here we have some chocolate. It's nice and rich. I'm a big chocolate fan, so. Oh. It's got a very different flavor, but it's very good. It's a very dark chocolate, but it's got some sort of, it's like a different kind of nutty, florally. Oh, well, this is why. It is dark chocolate with violet nuggets in it. Dark chocolate with violet nuggets. Very yummy. Okay, so that was my box, and I'm really happy. I mean, all that stuff was really interesting and fun, and I'm going to keep getting these boxes, and I'll show you all each time what I get. This one was really good. The only thing I really did not like in this box were these. I did not like those. I will have to like have someone else try them and see if I can find someone else that likes them so that I can let them have them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. And if you're here and you've been watching and you're part of the small YouTube community, I do have a playlist that you can add yourself to, and it'll be in the description. So please comment and subscribe, and I will also put in the description the answers to the trivia questions. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.